Today our tutorial is about creating and editing features. First of all, the steps are here as given. Click open button on the standard toolbar. Open your ArcGIS, then click open button. This open button. This is a standard toolbar, and we open. Then there's a open dialog box. As you see on the steps to navigate to the XSS to MXD map document in the editing directory where you install the tutorial data. So we go in ArcGIS, then we go to our directory as my directory is on desktop. We go in editing our XSS to MXD. We open it. As we open our MXD, this map shows up. Our step 3 is click the map and click open. We already did that. And then if you have prompted enable hardware acceleration to improve performance, click yes. I have already done that, that's why it didn't show up. And then right click on the research area layer in the table of content, point to edit features, then click define new types of features. The define new feature type wizard starts. Here we right click, then edit features, define new types of features. Our next step is click the change symbol to choose different symbol to be used for new buffer areas. Change symbol. New symbol can be any of the color, not the color, any of the symbol. Here I choose this glacier. So don't double click it. And other step is click color, drop down arrow, click gray 30. Click here, go down, gray 10, 20, 30, gray 30. Click OK for apply. This is our new icon menu. Then click in the name box, type buffer zones. Name box. Remove this. Buffer zones. Our next step is about text. As there are given the text following polygon, delete it, then type buffer and text box appears as polygon buffers. Just copy. Just kidding, no copy. Polygon. Buffers. And click next. Next panel wizard shows existing categories. Click next. These are the buffer zones, buffer areas which are related to buffer category. The next step is for value and label type buffer zones. They should be populated automatically set on the previous panel. The label is used to display the symbol category in the table of contents or legends. We already done that. Label buffer zone. And next is click next. Here comments are default as no, so we go for no. As here is given, click then finish. A new feature type was successfully added. Would you like to define another new type of feature? We click no because we don't need any other type right now. Okay. This is how you create a new feature in existing features. So other one is creating a feature from existing features. The steps are navigate to research only area bookmarks, research only areas, this is, and then here it says the map zooms to the Goose Creek area of the park. The polygon depicts research only areas. Click edit to on the editor toolbar. Here is editor toolbar. We will start editing. The editing is started. Click the southernmost research area polygon, the tan color one. This. Okay. However, it's like a new one. Sorry about that. Yeah. We choose this. East Fork, Virgin River. Then next step is click buffer in the editor menu. Click. We choose this. We choose this and click buffer. In the template, we choose our buffer we have created. Distance we give 300. Our buffer has been created. Then click OK. As we said, 300 is our distance we want to create buffer. If you want to have a low value, you can write down 200, 100. You want to have a bigger one, you can down 500, 600, anything. Then click OK. This is a buffer creation exercise. Next exercise is editing polygon features. Steps for cutting a hole in polygon. Click edit tool on the editor toolbar. Edit toolbar. We already done that. Click the center of the buffer feature. This one is selected, our feature. Rest your pointer over the feature in the list to flash it on the map. The isolated methods we have choose other one. So you will use this feature to clip a hole in buffer zone polygon. Here. This one. Southern Pinion. Okay, you can check that correct feature is selected, list by selection. In selection button in the table of contents and nothing at only selected. Main setups is listed research area layer in selected category. Select list by selection. Here is list by selection. We have selected Southeast Pinion. This one. Click editor menu, click clip. here is clip, which is this. There's nothing we are going to change. Just make sure discard the area that intersects is selected. Click OK. Our area is clicked out. Next one is cutting a polygon. By tracing method, click edit to editor toolbar, select our area. This one selected. Then snapping menu, on the snapping menu toolbar, intersection snapping. Intersection snapping. This one. Click cut polygon to on the editor toolbar. Cut polygon to this one. Cut polygon to. Click trace on the editor toolbar to palette. This one is trace. We're gonna trace it out. Snap the intersection of the edge of the streamline near the buffer zone polygon. Click start tracing through the polygon in a streamline to trace it from here to here. As we trace it, we double click for finishing. We can right click and finish a sketch. As we done that, as you can see, there are two different polygons.